A new generation of man-portable autonomous underwater vehicle, that is MPAUVs, have been successfully developed by Naval Science and Technological Laboratory Visakhapatnam of DRDO for mine countermeasure missions. The system comprises multiple AUVs equipped with side-scan sonar and underwater cameras as primary payloads for real-time detection and classification of mine-like objects. The onboard deep learning-based targeted recognition algorithm enables autonomous classification, significantly reducing operator workload and mission time. Additionally, a robust underwater acoustic communication have been integrated to facilitate inter-AUV data exchange during operation, ensuring enhanced situational awareness. Secretary, Department of Defense R&D and Chairman DRDO Dr. Sameer V. Kamath has complimented the NSTL team for successful development of MPAUVs, terming it as a major milestone toward deployable, intelligent and networked mine countermeasure solution. Your report, News Now.